This is a clean puppy pad, by the way. It doesn't have anything, any urine or anything on it, so he's not used it yet. It's just an emergency backup piece. But he is loving the Kong Wobbler and figuring out, using his brain, figuring out how to get the treats out. I recommend feeding all puppies with this. They love it. It works their brains. It slows them down so they're not just inhaling food. Gives them something to do. And normally, after they finish this in 20 or 30 minutes, however long it takes, they usually are ready for a good nap and rest after. Oh, good boy. But he figured it out right away, which is awesome. Good boy, Swayze. Good boy.